Welcome to AllFreePik tutorials.
Today I am going to show you how to create vector brushstroke circle in Adobe Illustrator. Please watch entire tutorial video. Draw a circle shape. Go to Windows menu and brush libraries and artistic chalk charcoal pencil. Chalk round. Stroke weight 3 point. Copy Ctrl C and paste in blend Ctrl F. Fill none. Outline color R255 G0 B0. Stroke weight 8 point. Charcoal varied. Select anchor points with the direct selection tool, shortcut A. Cut Ctrl C. Paste Ctrl V. Charcoal rounded. Select shape and right click and arrange and send to back. Fill none. Stroke with 10 point. Charcoal rough. Select shape and right click and arrange and send to back. Stroke with 10 point. Finally, your brushstroke circle design is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create brushstroke circle design in Adobe Illustrator.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.